What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna solve this code interview that I saw. We give you a array list of an integer. We need to remove the duplicate number. How? I don't know. Let's try. We have many different ways to do this, but I will fix this problem. I will solve this problem in two different ways. One with string and the other one with a nice loop. Let's go with the nice loop the hard way first. Let's create a loop. I will have a counter I start with 0, and then I want to count I. What I want to do is run in the whole list. For each element, I will check all below for duplicate number. This is what I want to do. I less ArrayList dot size implement I plus plus. Now, what you want to do is create another for. In this case, we're gonna use j as a counter, and we're gonna assign with I plus 1. I plus 1 will be good. Now, what I want to do is j less than ArrayList j plus plus. So I'm gonna run it up dot length. When I go to the first one, that's position 0, and I start the second loop in the position 1 to the end. And when I go to position 1 in here, wanna be 1, I need to run all below. This is what I'm gonna do. 1 position plus 1. Now, what you want to do is simple. ArrayList dot remove. First you need to check, no? Let's check it. Remove j. If ArrayList dot get, we can use equals ArrayList dot get j. We remove j. At the end, I want to print my array. System out print in here and print ArrayList. Run. Perfect. Let's put a duplicate number. Let's put 6 and 7. 1. Let's run it again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now we did this hard way. We can do the simple way. Create a list integer. And then we're gonna take ArrayList dot ArrayList dot string New list. We're gonna assign this new list as ArrayList dot string dot distinct collector, and then here we need to pass collectors. Let's put it below in here. Collectors dot to something to list. Let's see. Collection, no, collections, collectors to list. This will be the simple way to fix this problem. So we have the hard way that we're gonna run 2 for loops nested, and the easy way is this. Let's check it. Seizo new list. Save and run it again. What's happened? No, I want to run both. Let's put in here ArrayList run. Perfect. Now we can see both lists. They we removed all this duplicate number. Perfect. I hope you like, subscribe now, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Beijo no coração, ó. Coração.